Hi everyone, my name is Rucha Shrikhande and I'm a psychologist. It's been 9 years I had been working for children. So when I say that I had been working with children, I never thought I was working. We, we as in children, we together used to have so much fun. We used to jump, we used to laugh together, we used to dance together. Today, when I'm going to talk about children and your childhood, our childhood, can I ask you one thing? Do you ever feel nostalgic about how you were as a child? When I say you were as a child, it means that a child who is always curious to know things, who is always on to discover and explore life with his or her experiences. And of course, innocence, pure love, and affection. Are we really doing that in this fast moving world? Let me tell you, the answer is no. We have always been known to the fact that it is very important to let that child inside you be always active. But due to our increasing age, are we really doing that? We are not. That's the reason when we see children playing or we have someone who have kids, we always feel nostalgic about it. Can we today try to be as clear, as crystal clear as a child is about how he is always excited to know new things about life? Can we please try doing that? The reason why I am talking today about children and childhood is because I believe that childhood is an age where the children are very naive and they can receive whatever we can give. When I ask you to be a child, I all mean is to be very much open to the new experiences and to know your own emotions and feelings. Can we together be the inspiration for the next generation to understand the importance of knowing yourself, your emotions, and how you feel about the situation? With a psychological perspective, while working with the children, I understood that there are many things even which children are facing at this moment. Have you ever thought that we as a child we ever had stress? Yes, we did have. Similarly, there are some issues like ADHD, ADD for that matter, where children are finding it difficult to concentrate in their academics or in the schools they are in. All I mean here is that as we always say, that children are pure and innocent and are in a way a gift of God, I think we should start accepting the children the way they are. Also, while working with special need children like autism, Down syndrome, and intellectual disability children with dance as a therapy, I learned that there is still a lack of awareness of accepting these children with the normal ones. As we all know that there is this Pride month happening right now, we have Autism Pride Day also in it. Can I request you to read about how it is for the special need children and how we as a society can make a place for them where they also feel that they are accepted in this world? Can we please do that? Can we also follow to be a childlike person and just be open for the situations so as to avoid stress and to avoid negative thoughts? Thank you.